We're going to Quake again and
Oh.
ride the boat.
Oh,
Hello, guys.
where are we going?
Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. So this is Alex World. So we're going to IKEA.
IKEA!
IKEA.
Oh.
Let's go.
Ha? Pagpaba ito ah. Oh, dito.
Ah, Lucas!
Ano, hindi tayo sasakay?
Of course. Sakay sila. Cheers. We're lucky.
Oh, dito ka, Lisa.
I'm waiting.
Biso ng... Ito. Lucas. Hi.
Hi.
المحطة القادمة
Jesus flies. Yes.
Hi.
انتباه القطار المتجه إلى الاتصالات سوف يغادر الرصيف رقم 1. Your attention please. The train to Etisalat will depart from platform
My
1.
train.
Bye.
Oh, dyan
You
na.
guys are here.
Oh, let's go first and tap the Metro card.
I love Ate Alex.
Wow. How about you, Ate Alex? You love Lucas?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Daddy,
Okay, nasunod yan ng birthday ni ate. Grabe. Every ano na lang.
we don't like you anymore.
Tell him.
We don't like you anymore.
Tell him.
We don't like you anymore.
Hey.
Under the front. So, Corona. And there's also even more
snack lang. Gutom.
Bilis, Alex. Go. Halo kayo dalawa ni ate. Oo.
Use our boat.
Hindi mo sila.
Okay. Hold.
Hawa ka. Hold each other.
Hold. Watch your step.
Hindi yan.
Careful,
Oo.
Lucas. Watch your step.
Doon ka sa unahan, Lisa.
Whoa.
Parang bata. Yeah.
Boat is coming.
Oh. Doon ka. Hawa kayo.
Who's swimming? Mommy,
Oo.
gotta go to the window
May
seat.
librete na kami doon.
Mommy, gotta go to the window seat.
Oo. Oh, hold man. It's a prank! Ayaw niya, ayaw mo na. Malaki na yung mga yan. Sarap na may iPhone 14.
Hanapin kita yung iPhone 14.
Sarap na may pang iPhone 14 na
Tapos nga nga
vlog.
later.
At least papakuluan.
Daddy, sa birthday ko ha.
Ako nga pwede.
2,000 per head daw eh.
Mura daw
Plus ano, 1,000 ang pangkain mo.
5,000.
Tabi na kayo ni ate.
French fries you don't like?
Wow, nice.
Are there so many?
Thank you.
Corn, mommy, corn.
Oh, corn daw, daddy. Corn.
Ako baka niyo siyang corn. Buti
Ano
pala.
bigyan mo siya?
My favorite.
Sir, kayo ni Lucas, ha?
Okay. Because you like
Ito yung
corn.
salad. Eh.
Yeah.
Mo kung ano.
Pinaga mo ba yung lemon?
After from the store.
Hindi masarap.
Before and after what?
Before it's all food, but now after that storm, it's all gone.
Oh my God, what happened to the food?
It's a storm.
The storm?
Yeah, and
YouTube.
yeah. I like mashed potato.
Okay, see you later.
See you later, alligator.
Bye.
Bye.
Ay, wow. Titira si Stop.
Guys, we're here. It's super Halloween.
Put your face, Lucas. Alex, put your face. Uy! Oh, 1, 2, 3, smile! Oh, tara na.
Halika na. Tara na.
Paano?
Uy! Uy! Hoy! Come, guys! Uy, tara na, sa Christmas, let's go! Let's go! Come! Uy!
Let's go na.
Let's go!
Ryan World.
Build a bear! Picture! 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, smile!
So guys, we got this from IKEA.
Hanapin niya kami
Mungkin wahawal.
Anong oras? Ganda na palang tumambay eh. Let's go, guys! ROI mo niya.
ticket ni Lucas.
Isn't our boat sinking? Is it boat? Let's go to the metro.
Happy na sila.
Ito.
Next stop, City Center.
What are they going to do there?
Huh?
What are they going to do there?
We're gonna eat.
What are they going to do the Hershey food?
Huh?
And after that, they're going to go.
Yeah, we're gonna eat in Hanshi food.
Wow! And they're going to eat.
Dito tayo sa Alok.
What the?
Chicken.
With the chicken? With the chicken pudding?
Pag nawala yung wala.
Lucas, can I see your face? Ah, okay. Very good.
There we go.
Diyan. Ang dami-dami upuan dyan. Ayan yung handshake ko. Na oras, may oras ang pagpasok.
I'm surprised. There's a little there's some houses there.
Where?
There's this place there and a clown set. So guys, we're playing something. So guys, all of us are bad at this game. So just watch.
All of us are bad on this game.
Mama, video.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
I'll try.
No,
No, not allowed. The guard will ano. Oh. Take us video na lang. You will be the videographer.
As long as you can shoot, it's super.
It's your turn.
Maybe...
Let's see you closer.
Oh,
Bro, that did nothing. I just
It's
need
going
to
back.
back to my original place.
pag hindi tumama yung bola, pwede mo itapat sa akin.
Baby, you're long time. Here, you. So guys, we're gonna stop the video first.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Yan, tapos kinakain. We are already waiting for our...
Alam mo yung nilasan niyo si Bella.
Limited a la carte. Dim sum, appetizer rating. 59.
Ay, no! Magaan lang naman siya eh. Where are we?
From Ate Alex. Hindi na siya magkasya. Next po dito sa amin.
Okay sa ano, Tita Jen? Sige na, punta ka doon. Sige na, bili ka dito. Alex naman, Alex turn. Happy birthday!
Umiyak na naman ah.
Oh, wag mo na si Bella, may ano ka pa eh.
Ano sabi niya kuya? Oo.
Alex food!
It's so saucy, by the way.
It's saucy? You like it? How is it? Can you show? Can you show?
No, right?
Oh, careful!
So close.
Oh, it's close.
Bigyan mo one pong.
Mommy.
Pero kailan kaya tayo ito nakalagay?
Whoa. Daddy.
Ooh, that's so long. What are you doing? Okay, enjoy.
Yummy.
Ilagay mo lang dyan yung pabebe.
Hindi kumain ko doon.
Go. So guys, I'm eating spicy noodles. So I got to rate it from 1 to 10. So It's so long.
Oh. How is it? How is it? Is it spicy? Spicy, no? Is it spicy? Sure? You want
Give us some
water?
more.
You want water?
Iced tea.
Wala pang iced tea.
Water.
Oh, yan na. Daddy, kaya ng tubig dyan sa sa bag.
It's a prank.
Ah.
Daddy, can you give me some?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Wish, wish. Yay! Inones.
Si Jen, si Jen.
Ay, mambo-blow na naman.
Saan yung happy birthday?
Ano daw? Inom na inom lang si asawa ko, te.
Dad. Bring up. Okay. So guys, we're gonna remove the eyes and the ears from the animal.
Oh my God, what did you do? Remove the eyes. Oy! Don't remove the eyes.
Oh, the guy just looks like.
Oh my God, this is so ugly na. Bye-bye.
Bye. So he only has the balance. What is that?
Oh my God, who ate the eyes? It's you. Can I see your mouth? Can I see your mouth? Oh my God, who ate all the eyes? What happened? Oh, what naman yung eyes? There's one more eyes left? No.
Where?
One more.
So guys,
Oh, show the bill. Wow. It's so long.
Tito Bat.
Can I see? Can I see, baby? Wow, that's so long. Oh, give it to Tita Shena. Give to Tita She.
Alex. It's for Alex now.
Yan ang birthday celebration. Salamat po. Yung maraming. Sige po na kain. Thank you.